Hi friends, blogging is always a great way to present your thoughts on the web, and it also become an source of additional income during the last several years. If you want to create a stunning blog website with e-commerce facility and that too with Elementor Page Builder, this video is for you. In this video, I have a great WordPress theme that is specifically made for stunning blogs in all segments. You will find all the options, you will find all the categories of blogs in this theme, and it has 60 plus pre-made demo blog websites available with this, and you can see the stunning design. I have already shown you some design, and it is really a stunning blog WordPress theme, and I am happy to record this video because I found this theme very useful for all bloggers and those who want to create a wonderful look and full featured blog website, and that too with a lightning speed and with modern look and facilities. This is Kicker. Kicker is a multi-purpose blog magazine WordPress theme, and it is on Gutenberg. So this is the best thing with this theme, and it has been developed by my favorite theme developers, Axiom Themes, and they are of course Power Elite authors. So there are additional advantage to have a theme from Power Elite authors on the theme forest. You can get this theme on the themeforest.net by following the link given in the description, and you are going to get 1000 plus blog layout variation with this theme, and it is powerful ultimate magazine WordPress theme. So there are advantage of I was saying using Power Elite authors theme. So they actually make wonderful WordPress theme, and they know the technology, how actually that should be used. And as I said, you are going to get a boon of speed with these themes. It is lightning fast, and you are going to get A+ score on GT Matrix and Pingdom, and even Google Core Web Vitals scores will be very good. Kicker is a great for entrepreneurship and investing blogs, game reviews, NFT, cryptocurrency blogs, science magazines. So you can cover all the categories. In fact, I'm not going to describe all these good things. I'm just going to show you what is available in the Kicker theme, and during this process we are going to install Kicker WordPress theme along with a demo, and we will preview the theme options, basic customization options, so that you may decide about this theme. So let us start the installation of Kicker multi-purpose blog magazine WordPress theme, and that is with Gutenberg. So you need a perfect WordPress hosting for starting your blog, and again you can follow the link of WP Themes website given in the description of this video to get a very optimized, very suitable, reasonable hosting plan for your website or blog. And you can also book domain there, so links will be readily available, and you have to start from a screen. So I am assuming you have already taken a domain name and you have installed the WordPress core, and if not, as I said, you can follow the link given in the description, and you have to start from a very important screen, that is site health, and you should get a wonderful message here. It is clearly saying great job, everything is running smoothly. It is important because if you are not having adequate hosting, you should not start creating your website using WordPress. It is very important. So we are going to start from this screen, and I'll show you the theme pack as well. In the theme pack we have this main installable theme pack and theme file, and the child theme file, licensing and documentation links are also well available. To start the installation, we have to be in the appearance section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to select kicker.zip file. So remember, this is only the installable file that you need to upload. Don't try to upload the complete folder that you are going to you have received from the theme forest downloads. Okay, so since I said we are using a wonderful hosting and we have all the controls, like control panel will be available with all the features here, and of course we are having access on the file manager, PHP settings, just in case if you want to change any parameters, you can do it easily through this panel. So as I said, you can avail this hosting, and we are going to upload this theme directly to the file manager and to the WP content themes folder. It will be more convenient for me, and as I said, you can also simply upload the theme using this WordPress interface. So both will bring the same result, don't get confused. I am more happy with the file manager direct uploads, and you can see within seconds it has been uploaded, and the theme size being 6.36 MB in size, so it is very low in size, so it is of course a well optimized WordPress theme. And once the progress bar turns green, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction will bring this folder called kicker, and in which we got all the elements of theme folders and files are here. So we can simply delete the chip one to save some server space, and of course we can come back to the appearance screen, and kicker is available with the default theme, that is 2022. And I am sorry for the background noises. I am recording this video from my home, and okay, so it goes, it is a part of game in fact. Okay, so let us see the details. We have kicker now, and this is kicker version 1.3.7 by Axiom Themes. So as on date, this is being the latest version of theme. When you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description, you might be getting an updated version of theme, but yes, the installation process and the feature will remain almost same. So let us activate the theme now. Okay, so upon activation we got an alert that we need to install an add-on plugin called Theme Racks, and we have to install first of all Theme Racks. So this is a plugin, this is core plugin, so this is mandatory to install, and we cannot proceed further without installing this. So we have to install and activate this plugin called Theme Racks add-on plugin, and after that we will be here on this screen, and it is further saying to install certain plugins, and it is also showing the system check, I mean the server status, and all should be green again. So you have to keep in mind all should be green. And okay, so I can see here PHP memory limit is showing 40 MB, and all things are good here, but yes, I'm not very much convinced with the PHP memory. We can increase it, and I will show you how easily we can increase the WP memory limit. So it is very easy, but yes, it is important. So we are going to use a line of code in the WP config file, and that WP config can be found here in the file manager. As I said, we have every access when we can simply edit this WP config. Don't try to use these credentials. I'm sorry, it is just for demo purpose. You have to do it your own installation, and you have to put a line of code before this. That's all. Stop editing, happy publishing, and simply paste this code. Define WP memory limit 32 M, and I am keeping it 256 M. Okay, so I'm just saving the change, and let us see if it works. It was 40 MB, and let us refresh this page. It is 256 MB. It is good for me now, and it is a good thing to keep the PHP memory at around 256 or higher. Okay, so now we have to install all the necessary plugins, and we can start installing plugins on this screen. This is 16 plugins, so all plugins are recommended only to get optimum additional features on your blog website. But yes, I am going to show you all the features, so I have to install all these additional plugins, that is 16 plugins. Just in case if you are not willing to use any feature that is coming from these plugins, you may ignore to install, or you can install and deactivate, delete those plugins that you are not actually using at your website. I always used to recommend to keep only those plugins at your installation that you are actually using at your WordPress website. Okay, but yes, here I am going to install all these plugins, and I will try to install all plugins in a single click. And I have selected all plugins and clicking on install and apply. Let us see if it works, and if it doesn't work somehow, so we will install plugins one by one. And I believe it is working in the background. It may take a bit because it is 16 plugins, and it is a good number in terms of plugins if you are using on a blog website. 16 is actually okay. So I was saying 16 is actually not a good number. You should not use such long, big number of plugins, multiple plugins. However, we have installed all plugins within seconds, and theme regs updated got failed, but it is not so required because we have already installed the theme regs, of course. So we will come back to the plugin screen, and you can see how easily we have installed the plugins. And coming back to the plugins screen, we can check what is here, and all has been installed here. Yes, so we just need to activate all these plugins. So what we will do, we can begin activating these installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click, as I believe. Again, it may take few seconds in activating all plugins because the number of plugins is okay. So all is good, and we can find here, and all plugins has been installed successfully. We have installed the theme as well. This is just a welcome screen. When we clicked on the dashboard, we can simply cross this and go back to the dashboard, and there are some alerts. We can ignore these alerts because we have already done the task that we want to do. Okay, coming back to the dashboard, and this theme also supports the AMP versions, so it is also important for blog website. And I'll show you each and every tab, what these tabs and plugins are bringing at your website. But let us first take a look at our website, how it looks actually with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look of website, and of course it don't have any demo content, and at this stage we may decide which layout is going to be suitable for our blog website, and you can choose any of the 60 demos. Okay, so all demos are available here, and you can opt to have any of these demo as you like, as you require, as your segment is asking. Whatever is suitable for you. Okay, so we just use this line of code, and we have updated the WP config, and we can cross all these things additional. So we have to decide a layout, the demo website that we want to have at our website, and for this we need to proceed for demo content install. Okay, so let us proceed further. To install the demo content, we have to be on the theme panel, and I'll show you each and every option available on the theme panel. Let us come to the theme panel dashboard, and it is showing all the options available, like general setting, skins. Okay, so this is choose a skin and import demo data. So what we can do, we can select a skin here. Select the desired style of your website. Some skin may require install additional plugins. Okay, that is fine. This is the active skin at present. Just in case if you want to change this active screen, you can change it from here, remains download. So by default it is active, the default is active here, so we can change the skin of course. And if we are talking about plugins, we have already installed the plugins, and a quick setup option is also available here. You can change the accent colors and basic settings like logo settings, layout and all such things. But yes, we have to import the demo data first of all. Okay, so we have two options here, like partial import and full import. So if in the partial import, you can select actually what you want to have at your website, like which home pages is suitable for you. There are 12 home pages available, and import theme options and all. And in the full import, you are going to get all the contents without any selection. I mean, all has been selected by default. So I am showing the maximum features, and I'll go for full import because I want to show you the maximum things available with this theme, that is Kicker. So I'll start full import and let us see what happens. And I have already clicked, and the screen is showing the progress of demo import, and it is very fast actually. So post has been imported, users, theme options, plugin settings, WooCommerce meta. Media may take time because it is of course media files are always some heavy part of website, and you have to wait patiently on this screen until your demo import goes fine here, or you get any message on this screen. Okay, it is about to complete, and we got this wonderful message, congratulations, data import complete, and we are automatically on this quick setup screen. But yes, we will take a look of another look of our website, how it looks with the demo content, and I'll show you what we got in this demo. Okay, so this is the basic view, and we got this okay, so this is cookie message, and okay, so we got this complete demo website, and it is really a wonderful blog website. And as I said, this is having very stunning look, and you can also change the dark mode and light mode. This is very important for the blog website. And as I said, okay, so I'll show you some more pages like blog page, or so everything is here, and we have imported the complete thing successfully without any doubt. So we can again turn it in white background, and you can see the stunning speed. Of course it is good, and this hamburger menu is really good for me. So this is a complete blog website with all the advanced features, and I was talking about this scheme. Just in case if you want to change the scheme, simply download this scheme and you can simply change the scheme. I'll show you how you can do this. Let me find another great scheme, and so there are many options. In fact, which one is going to be really great for us? This can be good, like if we like this gadgets scheme, so simply download this scheme, and the new skin will be installed in the skins folder inside your theme folder. Attention, do not forget to activate new skin after installation. Okay, so how we can do this, let us see. Okay, and so new skin installed, and activate this skin where it is available. Okay, so plugins, let us see if it has been already applied. Okay, so it has not been applied. So next option is activate the skin. Since we have already downloaded it, let us activate it. And some skin requires additional plugin. After selecting a skin, the theme setting will be changed. Okay, so let us activate this skin, and I'm going to show you how it is easy. And let us refresh this page now. And yes, so skin has been changed, but it is not looking like so impacted. And I'll show you, yes, it has been changed inside. And again, we can choose another skin just to check all the functionalities. If we are choosing this business, and I'm downloading this again, business skin is here and skin is installed, and I'll go to the business skin again, and now I'll activate this. Okay, so if it works, let us see, all is going fine. And this is what we cannot solve. Okay, let us go to the home page. It is not changing much. In fact, I believe it is we need to do some additional things, but yes, so we should not bother about the skin because we have all the home pages available with us, whatever we want to have, and we can further work on the changing skin. We need to export the documentation. In fact, I'm not going in that part because we have already got a very wonderful website. Okay, so navigation system does not work. Okay, so we can check all these things. So I'll show you what settings we got, what additional features we got in this installation. First of all, theme panel. So theme panel we have already seen, but I'll show you again. So demo data and skin options, desired skin, and skin may require some additional plugins. Okay, we have seen all these features and we are using this business skin as of now. And okay, so on the next screen, theme racks add-ons are here, like general settings, debug mode, performance, APIs, users, social. So this is basically theme panel setting, and it is not add-ons. Okay, so it is basically not the thing. That should be why it is showing in add-ons. This is basically theme options. Okay, so under okay, theme decks add-ons is a different scheme. Okay, so let us see what is available here. I just wish to show you all the screen what is available here, like search enhance and all, review, shortcut, extended taxonomy, and theme specific things. Theme options will bring much of settings at our website. Theme site name as logo zoom, logo can be uploaded from here, and multiple logo options. General settings gives some access on the layout settings and all. Header, so we can select any header. Footer, mobile settings, blog settings, so there are multiple blog style settings. So pagination style is also here. Post animation, mobile, header, and all. So this is basically a blog website, so multiple settings are available here. Category we can set tag, author, search, post. Again, so this theme supports the WooCommerce, so shop setting is also here. Typography, so for a blog website, typography is very important thing, so we can control the complete typography. Colors in our control, just in case if you want to change the default colors, you can do this from this screen. Moving next, I'm just showing the additional option. So layouts is something new for me on this installation. I'll show you the layouts. So header main and footer main, so you have to control the layout part. Like if you want to change the header, you have to edit the header, and that can be edited with the Elementor. I'll show you. Header main can be edited with the Elementor. Just in case you want to change the header elements, you have to do this from this area, and Elementor takes few seconds in loading that. So this is the header main area, and you can change the style here, and you can change the things and orders. Okay, so the elements part, the layout parts can be handled from here. There are many header and footer options available. Okay, proceeding next, cookie. Yes, so this is the cookie information plugin that is widely being used on new websites, and you can use this plugin for showing the cookie information. That is very important for some countries, and you can also use this plugin for GDPR regulation and cookie scan and all such things. So it is a great plugin, of course. So if you want to enhance the feature of cookie, you have to create an account and you have to go on the paid plan, but for basic cookies information it is available here, like banner status and all. So WooCommerce options are here, just in case if you want to use this website for e-commerce activity, you can go for WooCommerce setting and all. So WooCommerce and products, Rocket, this is a product level thing, and you can use this feature for your product labels and all such settings. The next information, cookie information, is coming from the cookie yes, and consent solution, continue with non-business mode or personal website, global compliances. So you have two options here, and cookie pop-up is not live currently, non-business mode. Okay, so that is fine. Theme racks pop-up options, so this is pop-up that you can show at your website, and again you can use these settings for displaying pop-up. AMP, as I said, this is a blog website and AMP works fine, but you have to check this AMP portion like basic modes or expert. So you have to complete this all AMP settings if you want to keep it active at your website. Powerkit is something additional features like social links and share buttons. This is basically for sharing the post and adding some additional feature like table of contents is active, inline post. So Powerkit brings much of features related to sharing post and bringing some additional settings like reading time is active. So I can show you what these things are. If we open a blog, this is a blog site, so reading time you can activate. So in the blog post, reading time is very important, how much time this blog is going to take in reading. So like if we are opening this particular article, so it is showing by user 6 and date options are here. Social sharing links are, these are coming from the Powerkit and all. And I'll show you contributors, reading time. So you have to activate all these options. Like if you are activating reading time, that is active now, and we can see the impact by refreshing this page. And you cannot see the option. This is okay, so this is the blog, and I'm not sure, in fact I'm sorry, but I'm not getting the thing that I want to show you. Reading time, it should be active. User 6. Okay, so I'll add this detail in the comment just in case if I found. Okay, so this is Powerkit and it can bring certain features at your blog website. You have to explore all the things because this is lazy load active and custom fonts and author box and all such things. Post views coming soon. Table of contents. If we are activating the table of contents, so table of contents work with h1 and h2 tags, so be careful. Like deleted post is here, some descriptions like excellent or okay. So these are things that we can use. Easy forms is here, like for selecting the email contributors, I mean the email subscription using the MailChimp and all. So these are the things available with the theme, that is Kicker, and these are broad things and you have to explore all these options what you want at your website, and you will be able to create really a great blog website using this Kicker WordPress theme. Just in case if you have any question, and I am also working with this theme for a project, of course, so you can ask any question in the comment section of this video and we can get in touch directly via WP Themes channel, I mean the WP Themes website, and we can start creating a wonderful and stunning blog website using this Kicker WordPress theme. You have seen how the installation was smooth and what features are available, and now you can take a wise decision. So link for buying is available in the description of this video, and as I said, the theme is well available on the theme forest. You have to follow the link in the description and you can buy the theme, licensed version of theme, by following the link of buy link, and that is theme forest link, and you can start building your blog website. And I am always available to help you. Just in case if you want to ask any question, we can get in touch. Okay, so let us bring wonderful blog website using Kicker theme, and in the next video I am going to bring another WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.